My name is Michael Adefison. I'm the co-founder of Yumchop Foods.
And I'm Abby Adefison, co-founder of Yumchop Foods. Yumchop Foods started over 4 years ago, and we make food from around the world with an African twist. And they are naturally tasty meals. They have no added nasties, no preservatives, no additives, no flavoring. They are naturally frozen. And our meals go into the likes of universities, into NHS trusts, and now we're rolling out into Transport for London using our Novell vending kiosks. So our vending kiosks, they hold our food frozen. Our frozen meals, they're tested and their shelf life is 18 months. Shelf life. So the freezer compartment of the vending kiosk can hold the meal frozen, and also allows there's a component in the vending kiosk that allows the food to be warmed in a matter of minutes, literally less than 3 minutes. A customer can go to the kiosk, order the meal, order it hot, and basically get the food within 3 minutes, piping hot. So we can deliver hot grab and go meals to our clients any time of the day, 24 hours, 7 days a week.
And in addition to that, we've got other channels. We've got a meal subscription that people can actually subscribe to, and then order on a regular basis, on a monthly basis, that we can supply to them.
In terms of our relationship with REAMIT and what motivated us to work with the project, one of the major motivations for us was around the legal requirements for us as a food manufacturer to ensure that we keep monitoring our freezers and making sure that the freezers are meeting the required threshold of minus 18 degrees and the fridges are meeting the required legal threshold. Over and above that, it's also to ensure that we minimize waste. One of the reasons we've gone into frozen meals is because of the fact that we can actually keep the shelf life of that food much longer. Enabling us to do that is the fact that we can actually freeze our meals. So we wanted to make sure that we continue to freeze at the right temperature, which keeps the quality of the meals. We're very much bang on quality, and quality is really achieved through the freezing ability of the freezer to ensure that the food is well frozen. Most of those sensors are placed within our freezers. We have the freezers and the fridges, which are for the raw food and for the produced cooked products. And the sensors send us alerts and really gives us alerts. We've set a threshold at which we get alerts where we need to take action. So it's not just about taking those getting the alert, it's about the action that's taken as a result of those alerts. So when we receive an alert for a particular freezer or a fridge, what we then do is we get one of the staff to investigate why has there been an increase in temperature, and then take the appropriate action to address that. So I believe that has been really, really effective for us, because let's assume that we don't have any sensors in the freezers. Then it means that if there is somebody mistakenly leaves the freezer open overnight, which there's nobody there overnight to keep an eye on the freezer manually, we will come back the next day with a freezer that's open on a hot summer day. The food would have literally defrosted, resulting in food waste, because we would not be able to sell those food onto our customers, and they may have actually got damaged in quality-wise, and therefore there will be loss of revenue for us.
And so really, it's really about the real-time solution that REAMIT technology brings. So it's that real-time value. You get the real-time data, and we can make the real-time decisions that are necessary for the business.
It would be great to have the sensors also in the vending kiosk, and to continue to monitor the quality of our vending machines and the products that we supply. We want to save time instead of our staff manually tracking to all of those sites and taking the records. We would prefer that we can get that data real time, like we do locally now in the production facility.
And I think personally, being involved with REAMIT itself, and as an SME organization that is growing, ability for REAMIT to support us in a wider sense of it also will have a positive impact in any other future project that REAMIT or the program is actually looking to, with a wider manufacturing setting within the UK. So at least they will have that data that they've worked with us, and it can be rolled out into other companies or other SMEs, and on a bigger footing in terms of monitoring, because data monitoring in manufacturing is key. So I think it's also an advantage to REAMIT to really support us on this.